A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the cosmic compass of the seven sages, decoding Ursa Major's eternal wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, suspended in the northern sky, timeless and unblinking, the seven stars of Ursa Major, known in Indian wisdom as Saptarishi, form more than just a constellation. They are a cosmic compass, one that has guided civilizations in navigating oceans, aligning temples and tuning the inner mind. To the modern eye, they are celestial bodies of ancient light, but to seekers across ages, they represent immortal sages, embodiments of insight, virtue, and the boundless continuity between the human spirit and the cosmos. As contemporary science ventures deeper into the mysteries of consciousness and cosmology, the timeless teachings of the seven sages offer a bridge across eras, cultures, and inner realms. Ursa Major contains seven prominent stars, most notably forming the Big Dipper asterism. Scientifically, these stars, Elliot, Dubhe, Merak, Fasada, Megrez, Mizar, and Al-Qaeda reside approximately 80 to 120 light years from Earth and are part of a galactic stellar stream. They belong to the Milky Way galaxy, a vast spiral system that spans over 100,000 light years, of which Earth is an infinitesimal yet conscious fragment. These stars are not merely distant celestial bodies, but silent transmitters of cosmic rhythm, reminders of the deep interplay between the vast universe and the inner landscape of life. Ancient Indian cosmology identifies these seven stars as the Saptarishi, the seven great sages, eternal seers of truth, entrusted with preserving cosmic order across yugas. Each sage is associated with a unique virtue, offering a symbolic model for inner evolution. 3. Purity and serene perception. Bhrigu, intuitive knowledge and foresight. Pulaha, restraint, silence and inner strength. Vashishta, balance and cosmic law. Gautama, inquiry and experimental wisdom. Bhardwaja, learning and service. Vishwamitra, transforming through disciplined will. In this framework, the constellation becomes more than an object of observation. It is a field of reflection. These virtues meditated upon, offer guidance for individual consciousness in a complex, rapidly shifting world. For the emerging mind, especially those shaped by scientific education and digital immersion, the idea that ancient wisdom encoded human qualities into the sky can open new dimensions of understanding where outer light meets inner clarity. Ancient seers believed that constellations such as Ursa Major emitted subtle cosmic frequencies which interacted with the pranic and mental fields of living beings. These insights now find echoes in modern disciplines like cosmobiology and neurophysiology, which explore how celestial rhythms can influence circadian patterns, hormonal cycles, and psychological states. The mind, as neuroscience increasingly affirms, is a dynamic energy field, fluid, trainable, and deeply responsive to patterns, silence, and cosmic stimuli. The Saptarishi thus becomes not just characters of mythology, but timeless symbols of aspirational states, universally relevant, culturally resonant. What's the way forward? The 7 sages offer a model not of worship but of becoming. They embody an inner architecture that can be awakened through contemplation, stillness, and inquiry. For a generation standing at the intersection of science and spirit, knowledge and distraction, these archetypes offer subtle orientation. They represent values not bound to a particular geography or religion, but to consciousness itself. In seeing the sky as a mirror, one begins to recognize that inner potential is not isolated from the cosmos. It is shaped by it. As observation turns to reflection and curiosity deepens into awareness, the journey from information to transformation begins. And in that unfolding, the Saptarishi rise once more, not in stone or scripture, but in awakened thought. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita, in its timeless poetic truth, offers a resonance that aligns beautifully with this understanding. As Lord Krishna informs Arjuna, the 7 great sages and the 4 manas of ancient times, whose descendants are all humans, were born of my mind and arise from my energy. This statement unifies creation, consciousness, and cosmology, suggesting that humanity is not separate from the cosmic order, but intimately born of it. The constellation of Ursa Major shining steadily above is a subtle invitation to realign with that source through clarity, virtue, and higher awareness. In contemplating the seven sages, the gaze shifts from the external sky to the inner firmament, where the true constellation of wisdom begins to glow. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.